Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the home cleaning find. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Multiple quantity. The strut hangers come in a box of 200 pieces. The sufficient quantity can satisfy your daily. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Easy to use. Wire hangers bulk can be hung directly on the rope, wire, hook, shelf, or other places. Not easy to. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Light but robust. These dry cleaner hangers are not only lightweight but also sturdy. They are the ideal option. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are cleaner home, time saver, and easy routine. The one caution is simple. Check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that it brief content visible, double tap to read full content. My simple verdict, the home cleaning find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.